Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to be using some resin and this mould, and I'm just going to be making some fridge magnets. Now my 2-year-old grandson, absolutely loves sitting in my kitchen playing with the fridge magnets, and I thought I don't have any Halloween ones, not that he'd understand what Halloween is, but I thought I'm just going to have some fun today, and I'm going to make him some nice fridge magnets that next week when he comes he can play with and enjoy himself. I thought I'd bring you along with me if that's okay. Right, I've got an array of things out. I've got my chameleon powders out. I don't know whether I'll be using them, but I was thinking for that hat I might use violet. I'm going to use it's called shadow grey, but I use it as a black, to do the eyes. If I don't get them properly, I might just use some UV resin when they're cured and flipped over. Yeah, and I've got an array of glitters, and I'm just going to have some fun and bring you along with me. Some alcohol inks, orange, brown and white, and that is for if I've got any resin left over after I've done these. I bought these molds from B&M. Now if you've watched my videos you've seen the mushroom one, but I got an acorn one as well, and they're really thick sturdy molds. I think they're for chocolate basically, but if I've got any resin left over I'm going to do a few of them. I thought they'd be quite sweet, so I'm going to use the mica powder and paint all these on. I'm going to use a micro brush and a nice soft brush, and I'm going to fast forward you, so I'll see you when I've done that. Okay. Right, as you can see, I struggled. I couldn't quite just get the eyes, the nose and the mouth in a few of them, so I wiped them out. And what I'm going to do is, obviously the ones with the Let's Resin chameleon flakes in are going to have a black backing. I'm going to use a white for the skull and the ghost, and orange for two. I can't put a black in there because I'm going to be putting orange in it. Orange in there, black in them too. Now, I did find, I haven't a clue where I got these from. I'm presuming they're the ghost powders. I think that one's a pink. That one looks a bit green to me. I don't know whether to use them in the ghost and the skull, but you'll see me using them anyway. Right, I'm not filling them up because they're way too heavy for the magnets if you do. I'm just going to be filling them up about 3/4 of an inch. Okay, resin's mixed up now. I've got 2 little pots and I'm just going to pour a bit into one. I'm just using the leftover resin from when I tried the one from the range. It hasn't got a name. Right, now I don't know how much, perhaps we need a bit more than that. And I've got Magifly resin pigment. I've had these for a while in the black. Put a couple of drops of that in. There we go. Let me get a stick. Let's see what that does. Ooh, very nice. And I'm going to be putting some glitter in there, and I'm hoping it'll sink to the bottom. Actually, I'm not. I'm fibbing to you. I'm fibbing. I've changed my mind. Not going to put any glitter in because it's going on top of a chameleon powder. Let's pour this in. I don't want a great lot, but I do want to get the bat's ears and the tops of the wings. So it's going to have to be a fair amount. I think that should do it. Right, we're also pouring black into this pumpkin. We need to get up to the stalk, so I'm probably going to need a bit more. Pour some more in there. I just know my grandson's going to absolutely love these. Pretty great if you're a beginner as well, these. Ooh, nice. Very nice. Ghost, I'm not too sure about this pigment. Oh no. Definitely green. I'm wondering if it is glow in the dark. We might try that later and see if it is. Take the skull out. Nice. Although it has given them kind of like a bone finish. Oh, that's sweet. Bit tidying up on all of them. That's sweet. I'm going to put some UV resin, I think, in the eyes and the mouth. That's what we'll go for. Right, and last one. Didn't have any leftovers either to use the Mako molds. I'll have to try using them in another video. Oh, I like it. I mean, it is still dark in there, but I think I might put some black UV resin in it. We'll see, shall we? Right, this is a magnetic sheet. I use a lot of these for paper crafts and stuff. Really rather strong. And all I'm going to do is, I've got a paper punch and I'm just going to punch holes in it. So we've got like a little disc of magnet. Now, if I haven't made these too heavy, I'm hoping these should be sufficient. There we go. These should be sufficient to hold it on. Nice simple project for anybody beginning, or I'm just making them for my grandson to play with. But yeah, nice simple project, quite effective. And I do love the chameleon powders from Let's Resin. They are wonderful. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, could you please give me a thumbs up? That would be really appreciated. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.